What's up, everybody? It's Matt Garabedian, aka the Phenom Investor, and I'm back in this video today to show you step by step how to make at least $10,000 in the next 12 months, every single month. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and drop these three things, and I want you guys to take close attention because I'm gonna give you some real value here in the video. So make sure you like, subscribe, stay all the way to the end so you can get all three of these things. We can dial you in and get you on your way to making at least 10 grand a month for the next 12 months consistently. Once you're able to grow consistently, we can build upon that. So without further ado, let's get the intro started. All right, guys, so let's start at the foundation. To build anything worthwhile, we need to have a solid foundation because it all starts there. I believe in 2022 and beyond, that foundation needs to start with building a community of avid followers and associates. How do we do that? It's simple. You need a camera and you need consistency. Those two things will have you start producing content on a regular basis. The hardest thing that you're gonna have to do is be consistent because nothing happens overnight. I need you to focus on this one piece in order to set yourself up going forward in the future to be ultra successful. Number one, the content. It needs to be done every single day. Commit to at least 5 to 7 pieces of content every single week. Now, when you roll this content, it needs to be put out on all your platforms, on IG, on Twitter, on TikTok, on YouTube, on LinkedIn. Any piece of content and any medium is more eyeballs. So commit to the content going across all of the platforms. Now you may ask, what type of content? And my question to you is, what are you an expert in? Now, I believe every single one of you watching this is an expert in something. You could be an expert in how to make money. You could be an expert in music. You could be an expert in investing money. You could be an expert in how to grow money. You could be an expert in anything in this entire world. As we've seen many times, again, YouTube and Facebook and Instagram is a wonderful platform to showcase your skills. And there's really no limit as to what you could be an expert in. 10 years ago, if someone was going to say, I'm an expert in reviewing toys, we probably would have thought that's not really a thing to put out there. But you could see now there's huge channels of kids unboxing toys and doing reviews, and they're making millions of dollars a year. There really is no excuse nowadays on what type of content or lack of creativity or lack of ideas because everything is on the table. You need to figure out how to become an expert in something. And if you're not sure how to be an expert, start figuring out what you're really great at. One thing that I would recommend is to pick up the book called Unique Ability 2.0. This book is awesome because it will give you a lot of insight into what your unique abilities are. Where people don't understand is that your unique ability is something that is very routine or normal for you. And that means that you don't really think about it. You just do it very naturally and without a lot of thinking. That is your unique ability, where other people compliment you on things such as, wow, you really work well under pressure, or you could think clearly in times that are stressful for others. That's a unique ability. Your leadership skills are a unique ability. Your ability to analyze potential profit in business deals, potential opportunities that the average person doesn't see are all unique abilities. I want you to focus on what your unique ability is and then go and double down on that. The book Unique Ability 2.0 will absolutely help you find what your unique skill set is, and then you'll be able to identify what you need to focus on. The second step now, assuming you've built at least 1,000 unique followers inside of your niche. Now, if your niche happens to be Legos and reviewing what Lego sets are really awesome. I'm going off on a tangent because I'm really showing you there really is no limit to what you can be an expert in. There's followers, there's viewers, there's people that are interested in all types of niches, ideas, opportunities. So it doesn't really matter. Just figure out which one you're the expert in. Now that you've built at least 1,000 followers, start producing more opportunity to engage with those followers. How do you do that? Number one, you could build a community on Discord or on Telegram. And you could start charging for monthly subscriptions. Many people want to A, be a part of a community, and B, be around like-minded individuals to learn more about the particular niche, service, or product that you're talking about. Now, what you can do is have a monthly recurring subscription so that you could start building up monthly revenues while providing value to this group and community. The second thing that you could do inside this community is host 2-day intensives. So, for example, you could pick a location and have everybody fly in to that location and charge a fee for not only masterminding and networking, but a unique experience that everybody would like. So for example, I live out here in Florida. I know during the winter time it's cold. So twice a year, myself and a couple friends host a mastermind trip. And for one day, people come out, we mastermind on an unbelievable 120-foot yacht. We have an amazing day, fully staffed and catered, and people come out and join us on this experience because it's a mind-stretching experience. If you've ever been on a multi-million-dollar yacht, it's a experience that allows you to start thinking bigger. You start to think of ideas. You start to get very clear on your business and how you could grow. I know the first time that I was on a yacht, it totally expanded my vision when I was sailing by multi-million-dollar waterfront properties, seeing multi-million-dollar yachts, and just being able to be around bigger thinkers and bigger movers and shakers. It helped me grow my identity, and therefore I was able to get the confidence to go back, implement things in my business, and then start growing my subscribers, growing my community, growing my followers, and adding value back to them. So just that one idea, I was able to then recreate and offer the same type of opportunity to people that wanted to come out. We do these yacht trips 2 to 3 times a year, and it's a revenue generating stream of income for us because we're able to provide experiences for people that normally wouldn't be able to do that. It's a great way to bring people together, to grow your network, and to provide value. The other great thing about that is that it provides more opportunity for you to do more business with the people that are on that yacht. Again, they're all like-minded individuals that are looking to do bigger and better. So I've done many real estate deals, many crypto opportunities, and many other business ventures with people that show up because now we're thinking and talking and figuring out how to grow together. The second thing you could do to make at least $10,000 a month going forward, and it connects back to step one, which was growing your community and your followers. So once you have that base and it's continually growing each and every month, you can now become an affiliate. If you're not sure what an affiliate means, it's essentially being able to connect a buyer with a product, service, or offering that is not uniquely yours. So you may not have that business idea, that product, or that service, but you know someone that offers it, and you know of a potential customer. When you marry those two together, you are paid an affiliate commission. I've been able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars by simply being a great connector. I'm able to connect people with a product or service, bring them together by adding value to both parties, and I make a percentage of that transaction. So when I'm able to do that consistently every single month, that turns into 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 or more every single month just by being a source of information and connection for my subscribers that I've been able to develop rapport with, develop trust with, do other business transactions with. So now when I'm able to recommend a product or service, they know that I would not recommend something that sucks. So they're used to me giving them good advice, being good at following up with my word or my service and delivering value to them. So I recommend to them something that I'm selling or something that I'm partaking in, and I'm able to make an affiliate fee. This is a great way to make money without having to be the business owner. You don't have to put up with all of the expenses and all the headache it requires to run a business. You could simply make an introduction and make money. If you can get really great at this, I know affiliate marketers that make millions of dollars a year without having all of the headache. It's a wonderful way to make a lot of money without all of the hassle. And all you have to do is continue to grow your subscribers and get an email address. When you're able to do those two things, there's no stopping what your income potential will be. Grow the following, get an email address, marry the two, make money. So the third thing that you could do with the power of the new group and following that you've put together is learning to leverage other people's money inside the group. One of the most powerful things in business is OPM, other people's money. I learned about OPM through real estate investing. I was able to find deals and then present those deals to people that had private money. These were just general people that were not real estate professionals, but they had other businesses and things going on in their life. And I presented them opportunities on how they could secure the money with me on a great deal and earn great interest on a secured asset. That's just one example of how you can raise private money and bring other people into a potential deal. Another opportunity is to actually buy a business with other people's money. And the way you could structure that is different ways, but when you're able to give not only an interest on the money, but a piece of the equity, either in a real estate deal or a business transaction, that makes it very attractive for people to want to invest their money with you. Again, I'm trying to tie all of these things back to the first thing, and that's building your credibility, building your trust, building your brand, doing the things that you say you'll do, no matter the circumstances, is the most important thing. Showing up consistently, delivering value will all lay that important foundation that I talked about at the beginning of this video. So if you stayed to the end, that means you're serious about growing your wealth. It means you're serious about becoming an entrepreneur. I want you to reach out to me so we could do business if that's the person that you are, because I know that people that are serious about their business are thinking strategically, they're taking this advice seriously, and they're going out and implementing these steps. Because what I said, really frankly, is not that hard. The hard part is the consistency, and that's the separator between the people that have and the people that don't have. Consistency is everything in your business and your life. So again, get serious about content, be consistent, show up, do what you're going to say, and then all of the different ideas can come from your network. It's true. Your network is your net worth. So really focus on these things so you can use this as a springboard to many opportunities in 2022 and beyond. I know that building a solid foundation is the core in anything in life and business. And this strategy that I'm giving to you, if you take it seriously, will pay off in spades for years to come. There's so many different ideas that I could sit here and talk to you about, but if you don't have the following, the trust, the brand, the rapport, none of it is going to be very profitable. It's going to be extremely difficult because people don't know who you are. They don't trust you. They don't like you because they don't know what you stand for. So you have to do a great job of delivering that to your audience. Let them know what you stand for, who you are, what you're about. That's why I'm always telling you guys, be phenomenal. That's part of my core value. That's who I'm looking for to do business. People that I know that are phenomenal in all aspects of their life. Again, guys, I hope this video added some value to you. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel, as I will be dropping YouTube videos here every single week and multiple times a week going forward, adding more value to you, adding more ideas, more opportunities, ways that you can add to your bottom line, grow your revenue stream, grow your following, have a better quality of life, give back to your communities, build more dreams for your family, give great experiences to your friends and family. That's what life's all about. That's how we all can become phenomenal in all that we do. I appreciate you guys being here. Look out for the next video. Be phenomenal. Peace.